had stopped me along the route and said that, hey, there's like another FX out here. Oh, it is an FX16. Apparently it's like a lady that passed away, but her FX has just been hanging out and he's been trying to get it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, it's rotting away. This is the sporty Corolla FX, the FX16. It has the famous 4AG 16-valve engine, sports seats, and a 3-spoke steering wheel. It's also an automatic, which makes it a little less desirable. The interior is completely filled up with trash, and it could be in an episode of Hoarders. The outside is encased in a thick layer of dirt and mold. There's little bushes of moss growing in the window trim. The wheels have sunk into the ground, and nature is fighting to reclaim the Corolla for itself. There's some unfortunate rust above the windshield, but otherwise the body is pretty straight. The registration sticker says the car has been off the road for at least 8 years, but it's not entirely a lost cause. The great thing is that everything is original, even the wheels. There's no doubt the 4AG would fire right up with a new battery. With how rare these 882 Corollas are, there's a good chance this one could get a second chance at life. Alright, well goodbye little Corolla FX16. It's nice to meet you temporarily. Hopefully somebody is able to rescue it. I know looks like it might be some little old lady's car that's just been rotting and slowly dying out here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And there's my little FX way over there. Look how pretty it looks. My little FX looking so fresh, so nice, compared to that poor little Corolla. Aw.